Good morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar and now we are on channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. Now in this video our chapter is going on fraction and the important topic of this chapter that is called comparison of fractions. We have to deal with the fraction, so in this video we will see that which fraction is greater, which fraction is smaller and which fractions are same. So no one is greater, no one is smaller. So in this video we will learn the methods to justify this comparison. So student, you have to watch this video till end to get the 100% concept clarity regarding the comparison of fractions. So student, don't miss any part of this video to learn these things, and I will introduce two methods in this video so that you may decide that which fraction is greater or smaller.
Dear student, in this video we are going to decide that between two fractions which is greater, which is smaller, or they are equal. So let us start this question. The method for doing this type of question is we will adopt cross multiplication method in case of two fractions. So if this is 10 by 11 and this is 11 by 12, then what will I do? I will mark the cross and 12 will be multiplied 10 and 11 will multiply with 11. Okay, now the answer is 120 and the answer is 121. You can see which one is greater, 121 or 120. Clearly 121 is greater. So 121 is on which side of the fraction? So it is coinciding with the 11 by 12. So which one is greater? 11 by 12 is greater than 10 by 11. So student, in this way we will find the answer in case of two fractions comparison. Okay student? Now 1 by 10 and 1 by 5. Now here you will see again I will compare 1 by 10 and 1 by 5. Now I will mark cross. Now 1 multiply 5 and 1 multiply 10. This is 5, this is 10. Now which one is greater? 10 is greater and 10 is on my right hand side. And which fraction is on the right hand side? That is, you may see 1 by 5. Therefore 1 by 5 is greater than 1 by 10. Okay student? Now 5 by 12 and 17 by 30. Now student, you see that again if we apply cross multiplication, then 5 multiply 30 and 17 multiply 12. Now this is the answer 150, and what is the answer for this? Okay, 17 multiply 12, let us check. 34 and 17. So student, see how we find the answer in the shortcut multiplication method. Now 204 is greater and 204 is on which side? The fraction 17 by 30 is greater. So 17 by 30 is greater than 5 by 12. So this question can be compared with the method of cross multiplication, where you have to compare only two fractions, students. But in case of more than two fractions, it will be convenient to take the LCM and make the fraction like fraction, so that you may compare that which is greater and which is smaller. Okay, just like we have done in the earlier video. Let me show that sheet. You will see this sheet. Here these were the fraction. You make them like fraction. Okay, now you can easily compare that which one is smaller and which one is greater. Okay, you see that 10 by 30, that is 1 by 3 is smallest. Okay, after that 15 by 30, that is 1 by 2 is greater than this one. Okay, so it is at first place, that is smallest. Second place, after that 24, that is, it means 4 by 5. So after 1 by 2 we will write 4 by 5, and in the last 5 by 6. Okay, so in this way we can deal in the case of more than 2 fractions, student. Okay, where we will have to write the fraction in the ascending order or descending order. That question we will have to face in the next video. Okay, student. Now I will make your concept clear from this sheet also. If you have to write these fraction in the ascending order, then how will you write these in ascending order? ASCEN, ascending order. Now student, ascending order. What is the ascending order? Ascending order mean we have to write the smallest fraction at the first number. Which one is the smallest here? 10 by 30. And 10 by 30 is on first place. And first place is 1 by 3. So I will write 1 by 3 at first place. Very good. After that, after 10, the number is 15. So 15, what is the meaning of 15? That is 1 by 2. Clear. After that 24 and 25. 24 is greater than 15. 24 comes after 15. Therefore 24 will be written at third place. Therefore in place of this I will write 4 by 5. Okay. Now, and in the last 25 by 30, that is 5 by 6. So student, this is the required ascending order. Okay, if you are being told that to write any given set of fraction that is unlike fraction, you have to write in ascending order. You can adopt this method only to write as per the direction. Now, once you have written in the ascending order, and you have to turn it into descending order. Then what will you do that? You will just reverse the order. You will write 5 by 6 first one, after that 4 by 5, then 1 by 2, then 1 by 3. See student, you have noticed what I have done? This was the ascending order. Okay, if I write in the reverse order, then it will become descending order. Okay, so this is greatest, after that smaller, then smallest. Okay, so in this video, you have clear your concept of comparison, and also the concept of ascending order and descending order. So student, it is being clear to you that you must not miss any video of the topic going on, so that you may get 100% concept clarity, because every question is there in the form of repetition in the next question. So student, subscribe our channel Think Math Think Different Zara Hatke, and press the bell icon to get the notification of the new videos. Now, in the next video, we are going to solve the question regarding ascending order and descending order. Now, there are two more questions, 3 by 4 and 9 by 12. So, how we will solve these? 3 by 4, 9 by 12, written and mark the crossing. So, 3 multiply 12 and 4 multiply 9. The answer is 36. The answer is 36. So both are equal. Therefore, I will fill this box with the equal symbol. Okay, student? No one is greater there. Now, in the second one, now 2 is divided by 9 and 5 is divided by 9. Clearly, which one is greater? That 5 is greater. So, if we adopt our cross multiplication, then 2 multiply 9 and 5 multiply 9, that is 45 and 18. So 45 is greater, therefore 2 by 9 and 5 by 9, the 5 by 9 is greater, student. Okay, now we close this video and go to the next video.